guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, my case to my iPad Pro finally came because I ordered this like couple weeks ago, like the day after the New Year's, and I was waiting for like 3 weeks, I think, and finally I got the case. Let's open it. I don't know why it took so long, but yeah. Whoa, this is cool. Looks like Apple packaging. It does look like Apple packaging. The case is right there. And yeah, the ZUGU case I got. Okay, this is how the packaging looks. The MUSE case made for the iPad Pro 12.9. Third generation. ZUGU case. Let's open it up. Looks like Apple packaging. ASMR. ASMR. That's funny. Okay, let's unbox it. Ooh, nice packaging. This is cool. And now it is. We got the ZUGU case for the iPad Pro. Nothing else in the box? No. Nice packaging, ZUGU. Close my knife. And then we got the case itself. We got these hooves so it can stand. The ledge to open it. So I prompt just how to do it. You can pause it and read it if you want. Oh, it's food. Yay, I got food. No, don't eat that. No. Photos up. Okay. I like how this feels. It's nice. Let's bring the iPad Pro in. Make sure it's clean. Alright, how does this slide in like this? Yes. Okay, there we go. There we go. This is how it looks. That's where the Apple Pencil goes. This is the magnetic case. This is actually a pretty awesome case. In person, if you get it, it's actually pretty good. The latch. Apple Pencil right there. Buttons actually feel nice. Tactile. And yeah, this is the ZUGU case. Let's see if we can do that thing that the commercial said. Okay. there we go. You can do this, you can do it all the way. All the way. You can do this. This. And then go all the way to viewing mode so you can watch YouTube. And then this view is like typing mode. Typing mode. Apple Pencil support. I actually really like this case. This is pretty cool. Do they also do the magnetic thing on the fridge? Let's see. Let's see if the magnet works. It does, but it's not strong enough. Yeah, it's not strong enough. So it does, but not for big iPad. So my overall appearance, like how I like it, it's a cool case. Microfiber right here, so closes right there. Then your Apple Pencil goes in the back. Silicone TPU. And then I like the leather, it's nice. See, now I can watch some YouTube or play some games. So yeah, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below so we can reach 1,100 subscribers or even more, and comment below if you like this case. So yeah, peace out.